If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making ODIA PAKHALA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cumin seeds and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it. In per serving, we will need quarter teaspoon of that. Then take some ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. In per serving, we will need quarter-inch long ginger, a pinch of Asafoetida or hing, a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, then about 1 cup of fine rice, which is also known as Arua rice. And the type I am using is known as Sita Bhog, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using the same. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. So if you are using an earthen pot, place it on medium flame. Then to that, add about 3 cups of water. As the earthen pot will soak up the water, that's why we are using 3 cups. But if you are making this in any other regular pan, then add about 2.5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Now to this, add the salt and all the rice, and over medium to higher flame, boil this till all the moisture is gone, that's the water content, and rice is completely cooked. And do not cover it, and it should be done. Then in a pot, take 3/4 cup of the cooked rice followed by 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or juice of half a lemon. Then a pinch of salt and water to almost fill it up. Then in a small pan, take all the ghee followed by the ginger, hing and the powder. Then roast this for roughly about half a minute. Then switch off the flame and add this directly on top of the pakhala, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad ODIA PAKHALA. So do try this at home and save your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.